In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about combinations in the graphing calculator and the scientific calculator. So again, combination is when order does not matter. We have 15 objects and we are choosing 7 of them to order. So 15 is your N value, 7 is your R value. So in your calculator on your home screen, you're going to type in 15. You're going to find the math function, which is up underneath the alpha. For probability, you can either arrow to the right 3 times with your right arrow, or you can just hit the left arrow 1 time and it'll take you to the probability screen. And for combinations, you're going to choose option 3. You can arrow down to 3, or you can just simply hit the number 3. So now on your screen you have your 15 NCR, and I'm going to choose 7 because my R value is 7. And you hit enter, you get 6,435 different possible combinations. So now I'm going to switch over to my scientific calculator and show you in this calculator. You will find this also in the probability section. So I'm going to type in 15, go to probability, and the combinations is the second one over, so you have to hit your right arrow. Choose enter. And then choose your R value, which is 7. Hit enter, and you get the 6,435.